Today we will find the focal length of convex lens by distant object method and UV method. The aim of our experiment is to find the focal length of a convex lens by plotting graph between u and v or between 1 upon u and 1 upon v. Apparatus used in the experiment are a convex lens of small focal length, 3 uprights, 2 needles, optical bench, half meter scale, lens stand, screen.
We are going to start with the practical. Our objective is to find the focal length of a convex lens by plotting graph between u and v or between 1 by v and 1 by u. So the operators, whatever we are going to use, are convex lens of small focal length, 3 upright, 2 needle, 1 optical bench and 1 lens stand. अभी हम लोग प्रैक्टिकल स्टार्ट करेंगे तो जितने भी ऑपरेटर्स हमने यहाँ पे लिखे हैं सारे ऑपरेटर्स को हम लोग वहाँ पे देखेंगे. ओके, सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट विद द फार्मूला एंड द रे डायग्राम. सो फॉर द रे डायग्राम वी नो दैट जब हमारी पैरेलल लाइंस आफ्टर कॉन्वेक्स लेंस के जाने के बाद ये हमारी पैरेलल लाइंस फोकस से होते जाते हैं. सो वी आर टेकिंग एन ऑब्जेक्ट बिटवीन द एफ एंड 2f. The object is A and B. ये इंसिडेंट लाइट जो हमारी B से हमने यहाँ से ली है पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, it goes to the focus and the light which is going to the optical center, both the light after the convex lens meet at a point which named A dash. So when we are joining the light, the image is formed A dash B dash बिहाइंड द प्लेस. इस तरीके से हम ऑब्जेक्ट के अलग अलग पोजीशन को लेकर के इमेज के अलग अलग पोजीशन हम लोग यहाँ फाइंड कर सकते हैं. बट हम यहाँ एक डायग्राम बनाकर बाकी आपको प्रैक्टिकल में जैसे ही आप एड्रेस को हम लोग अरेंज करेंगे तो वहाँ अलग अलग पोजीशन लेकर के अलग अलग आपको इमेज दिखाएंगे. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू द फार्मूला यूज्ड. द फार्मूला इज यूजिंग 1 by f equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. When you are solving this u and v, after solving the LCM, the formula gets UP by U minus V. So the object distance is negative because जब हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट को लेते हैं तो ये हम लोग का इंसिडेंट लाइट है जो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस की तरफ चल रहा है. बट हम लोग डिस्टेंस मेजरमेंट करने के लिए सेंटर से ऑब्जेक्ट की तरफ आएंगे तो देखेंगे कि ये सेंटर से ऑब्जेक्ट की तरफ ही निकल जाएगा. सो बाय साइन कन्वेंशन इंसिडेंट लाइट एंड U, this will become negative, and for the image incident ray and the image are in the same direction, so they will become positive, and the focal length also in the incident ray direction for the first aperture. So we are taking this focal length also convex lens is positive. So now we are going to the operators used experiment. So we are going to the operators used in the focal length of convex lens by plotting graph between u and v or between 1 by v and 1 by u. This is a small focal length of convex lens and we have 3 uprights with 2 needle and 1 lens stand. This is an optical bench of 1.5 meter or 150 centimeter. When we are going to start the practical, we have to put the lens stand with middle of the optical bench. Suppose we are putting it at 60 centimeter. This is the origin. अब हम लोग इसी को origin मानते हुए ऑब्जेक्ट और निडल की पोजीशन को सेट करते हैं. सपोज वी आर पुटिंग ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन को वी हैव टू फाइंड द अप्रॉक्सीमेट फोकल लेंथ ऑफ द कॉन्वेक्स लेंस बाय यूजिंग द डिस्टेंस ऑब्जेक्ट मेथड. वी हैव टू मूव दिस कॉन्वेक्स लेंस toward the screen until we did not get the clear image. जैसे जैसे हम लोग कर रहे हैं कि ये साफ इमेज हमारा बनता जा रहा है So after getting, अब देखिए फिर से ब्लर हो रहा है. So after getting a sharp image, we have to stop this lens and we have to note the reading of the convex lens and the screen. After getting the reading, this is the focus length of the convex lens and approximate focal length. For the approximate focal length, ये जो हमारा कॉन्वेक्स लेंस है, अभी हम लोगों ने सोर्स ऑफ लाइट से किया तो हमें यहाँ पे पॉइंट ऑब्जेक्ट मिला. हम लोग इसकी रीडिंग लेते हैं तो हम रीडिंग को एक बार जूम करते हैं. ओके, ये कॉन्वेक्स लेंस की जो रीडिंग वैल्यू है, ये भी मैंने लेंस सेट किया था. वी आर पुटिंग इट एट 75 एंड द स्क्रीन इज पुट एट, जो हम लोगों ने देखा, दिस इज 9090. ये देखिए आपको 9090 दिख रहा होगा. So the approximate focal length 90 minus 75, it will become 15 centimeter. After getting the approximate focal length of convex lens is 15 centimeter. So we put the object needle at the 2f. 2f means 2 into 15 is 30. So we are taking the convex lens at 60. So from here put the object from 60 is at 30. तो जैसे ही हम लोग ऑब्जेक्ट को 30 पे पुट करते हैं, ये 2f डिस्टेंस पे रखा हुआ है. अगर हमने इधर ऑब्जेक्ट निडल को 2f पे रखा है, सो डेफिनेटली इमेज हमारा इस साइड हमें 2f पे ही मिलना है. सो द जो भी हमें इमेज इधर मिलेगा, हम लोग यहाँ पे एक निडल रखेंगे जिसको हम लोग इमेज निडल लेंगे और वो नियर अबाउट 2f के आसपास ही होना चाहिए. सो वी हैव टू गेट द इन्वर्टेड इमेज एट द 2f. जैसा कि हम देख रहे हैं कि ऑब्जेक्ट का इन्वर्टेड इमेज पिन पर मुझे मिल रहा है, बट देयर इज ए पैरेलैक्स एंड वी हैव टू रिमूव दिस पैरेलैक्स. जैसे ही हम लोग आई को रिलेटिव मोशन करते हैं, तो इस ऑब्जेक्ट इन्वर्टेड इमेज और निडल में थोड़ा सा हमें पैरेलैक्स दिख रहा है. सो हम इस पैरेलैक्स को रिमूव करेंगे बाई लैटरल शिफ्टिंग ऑफ दिस पिन.
Have seen the image of object pin. On the image pin there is a negative displacement between the image and image pin. It means there is a parallax, so we have to remove the parallax by adjusting the image pin. Now you can see that when we have adjusted the image pin, the image and the image pin both coincide, and when we move our head towards the left and right along the image pin, this type of image you can see. This is the fine image you have to take. Now removing the parallax, we will again recheck our reading of object pin and image pin. We have placed the object at 30 centimeter and when the parallax is removed, the image pin position is 90 centimeter. So this is our first reading of object pin and image pin. Now we will write our first reading in the observation table. Object pin position 30 centimeter, lens at 60 centimeter, image pin position 90 centimeter. Now in this way we will proceed to further few more readings, and these readings we will take one by one by shifting the object pin. We will shift the object pin and related to this object pin we will get the image on the image pin and we will write the reading. So for the second reading, what we will do, we will shift the object pin 2 centimeter towards the lens, that is on 32. Now student, again the parallax is removed. You can see the image. See the image of the object pin on the image pin like this. And again we will note the reading. Again we will note the reading on the optical bench of the image pin, that is 95.5. Now we will write second reading in the observation table. Object pin 32 centimeter, image pin position 95.5 centimeter. Proceeding towards the third reading, we will shift this object pin 2 centimeter, and this reading is 34 centimeter of the object pin. Again we will see the image of this object pin on the image pin. In this way you can see that again the parallax is removed for this particular object position, and we are getting the image on the image pin. This type of fine image you have to set. Here the image pin position is 98.3 centimeter. Now we will write our third reading in the observation table. Object pin at 34 centimeter, image pin position at 98.3 centimeter. So students, for calculating the readings to plot the graph between u and v or 1 upon u 1 upon v, we have to take 5 readings on this optical bench with the help of this optical bench. First reading we have calculated by focal length of convex lens, placing the object pin at 2f. Next 2 readings we have calculated by taking the object pin 2 centimeter towards the lens. Or then for remaining 2 readings we will shift this object pins away from the lens. लेंस से 2 सेंटीमीटर अवे शिफ्ट करेंगे तो हमारा ऑब्जेक्ट 30 सेंटीमीटर पे पहले था, तो अब हम इसको 28 सेंटीमीटर पे शिफ्ट करेंगे लाइक दिस. एज यू आर सीइंग, आई एम प्लेसिंग द ऑब्जेक्ट पिन एट 28 सेंटीमीटर. Again we will see the image on the image pin by parallax moving. And we will see the position of image pin on the optical bench, and this image pin position is 91.5 centimeter. By this mark we will read the readings. Now we will write our fourth reading in the observation table. Object pin at 28 centimeter, image pin at 91.5 centimeter. Now for calculating our next reading, again we will place the object pin at 26 centimeter on the optical bench. Again by adjusting its position on the image pin we will see again the parallax is removed and we are getting a fine image on the image pin, and its position is, for this object position we are getting the image at 86 centimeter. So in this way, when the object is placed at 26 centimeter, we are getting the image pin position at 86 centimeter. We will write our fifth reading. Object pin at 26 centimeter, image pin position at 86 centimeter. In this way, we have calculated the values of object pin and image pin with the help of this optical bench arrangement. As you are seeing, this is the object, again this is the lens, and this is the image. Corresponding to different position of object pin, we have calculated different values on the image pin. After writing our 5 reading in the observation table, we are seeing u is the distance between object pin and lens, v is the distance between image pin and lens. So in our first reading, object pin is at 30, lens is at 60. So this distance 60 minus 30 is equals to 30. U value will be 30. As the object pin is at the left side of the lens, so we are writing u, we are considering u value as minus 30 centimeter. Now for v value, it is the difference between image pin position and lens. So 90 minus 60, it will be 30. This we will consider as positive because the image pin is at the right side of the lens. Similarly, proceeding to the second readings, 32 minus 60, it will be minus 28. For v value, 95.5 minus 60, it will be 35.5. Similarly, we will do for the third, fourth and fifth reading. We will take 1 upon u, then 1 upon v. After calculating this u, v, 1 upon u and 1 upon v. For all the 5 readings, we will substitute this uv value in the focal length formula. F is equal to uv upon u minus v. After substituting these 5 values in the focal length formula of the given lens, we are getting f1 is 15 centimeter, f2 value is 15.65 centimeter, f3 value, third reading value is 15.48, f4 is 15.87, f5 is 15.24. So after taking the 5 values of the focal length, we will take the mean of these 5 values. The mean value of the focal length comes out to be 15.41 centimeter. After choosing a convenient scale, we will plot a graph between u and v, and the graph comes out to be a rectangular hyperbola. We will draw a straight line from the origin, making an angle of 45 degree with both the axes x and y. The line meet the curve at point P. Two perpendiculars are drawn from point P on x and y, that is PA and PB. The coordinate of point P is 30, 30, that is V is equals to U is equals to 2F, PA is equals to PB is equal to 2F. Hence focal length F is equals to 30 upon 2 is equals to 15 centimeter. After choosing a convenient scale, we will again plot a graph between 1 upon u and 1 upon v, and we can see from the graph that the graph comes out to be a straight line. When we extend this straight line along x-axis and y-axis, we are getting an intercept OP and OQ. This OP and OQ values are approximately equal. So from the graph, OP is equal to 0.069, OQ is equal to 0.064. According to lens formula, at point P, 1 upon U value is 0. So 1 upon F is equals to 1 upon V. At point Q, 1 upon V value is equal to 0. So 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon U. Focal length F is equal to 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon OQ. F is equals to 1 upon OQ. F is equals to 1 upon 0.064 is equal to 15.62 centimeter. Now the result, focal length by UV method is equal to 15.41 centimeter, UV graph 15 centimeter, 1 upon U and 1 upon V graph is equals to 15.62 centimeter.